It's Friday! And I found my glasses. Nice green ones from Zook. Thank you very much from Australia. It's Friday! Yep, Friday. Stella. Been a while, innit? That's the trouble when you do 6 o'clock morning sessions. You can't really drink. Not ideally, anyway. So yeah. Where are we? Got a lot more of the interior out. So that's good. Pedal box. Boop boop boosh. Got a couple of bits of welding to be done around the inner wings. I think I'll just try and tackle them today, just to get them done and out of the way. Left my my work boots outside the back door, and it rained, so they're now wet. So I've had to get my slightly posher shoes on, which hopefully nobody will tell the wife about. So yeah, so basically we've got these sort of just seams here. They've been welded underneath, if you see what I mean. And the other side's just got to be filled in. The other's not too bad, so I might just run some stitch welding on there. So it's a bit dark, hopefully it'll come through. But yeah, just get them tidied up and get them buttoned up, I think, today. So yeah, cool. Need some light in here, don't I? I had that lamp. I've got the other lamp down at the unit. So where's my welder at the moment? It's over the other side, so we should do the other side first. So just lower you down a bit. And yeah, let's move the pedal box that way. So yeah, I don't know if you can just see down there, got a little hole and stuff, just a few bits that we need to fill in with. Yeah, do that. Okay, hopefully the lights helped a little bit better. Good old extra long lead lamp. Yeah, so yeah, cut a little piece out of a bit of door skin, foreskin, and yeah, let's get that welded in, and that should be nearly fitting up. There's a couple of little pinholes that I need to fill, and we'll get that done. Wow, a little bit rough, but that'll be fine for what that is. So yeah, got a bit more on the seat cross member. I think I might as well do while I'm over there. Yeah, seat cross member. Let's try and get some welds on that. There's something else I was just about to weld as well. What else was I going to weld over there? Oh, yeah, the A panel. The back of the A panel still needs doing. So yeah, let's crack on with that. I can hear thunder coming. That noise you can hear is the welders having a bit of a paddy. Has a paddy every so often. Yeah, it's like it's like constantly got power. Must be something bad, and that's an airplane as well, so it doesn't sound that bad. All right, I've turned the welder off for the moment. So yeah, it's getting there. Just doing the A panel bit at a time. Trying to put it on the highest power just to sort of try and really sort of burn the weld in without sort of leaving too much, so I don't have to grind too much. You can see on this side I've butt jointed it, so basically you just need to go down it, weld it, and then obviously run a soft pad along the bottom of it. Don't have to be too perfect because it's it's where the door is anyway, sort of thing. So as long as you don't have any sort of visible, sort of thick welds, it'll be fine, won't it? You know, it's not an outer surface, that's for sure. As I said, you might just see it down the shut line, so try and get it fairly nice. But yeah, that's about it. So that's good. Not heard from my dad at all about the gear linkage yet. Don't know if he's worked on that yet. I'll have to have a chat to him. Looks like there used to be some rubber grommet over that. Oh, that would be the original one, and I expect that got cut away and someone's put some stupid thing on. So yeah, that would be in the original hole and the original grommet, but that gets replaced. Be interested to see what they do, see if I can find any pictures. So yeah, anyway, must do a bit of a tidy up. We'll go get can we get Henry the Hoover tomorrow? I think that's going to have to be at the weekend. Go get Henry the Hoover, give it all good a clean out as well. This weekend coming up, we need to rock and get all the welding done. So next week we smash it. We get the old sandblaster booked in. Yeah. All right. Everyone have a good Friday. Small update again, but again, it's progress. And I managed to do some without it being 6 o'clock in the morning. So again, thanks for everyone's feedback so far. Really enjoy your comments and all your helpful advice. And always good to know what you had for tea. So let us know. We had some little slider burgers, or whatever they're called, sliders, on the barbecue. Bye bye. Oh, and Jimbo had a very good first day at work, in case anybody was interested.